Welcome to my channel. I'm SD Kelly. In this video, I'm going to do a complete table makeover. A few years ago, I purchased this table from Family Dollar, and I bought it for the sole purpose of displaying and photographing my arts and crafts, especially for my online sales. I often change the platform by covering it with a scarf or small blanket, and as you can see here, I have these pedestals that I made mostly out of items from Dollar Tree and from a thrift store. I keep them all in the basket that I store under the table, and I bring them out at certain times of the year depending on what I'm displaying. I thought this table could use an upgrade that would look nice all year round with all the seasons and all the various different types of decor and products that I might put on here for display. First, I took a water and vinegar mix and I cleaned off the table from top to bottom. Then I covered the bottom of the table underneath with some newspaper anywhere that I did not want to spill paint. And I found these pieces of wood at a construction site across the street, and I put the table up on that, upside down, so that I could paint near the edge of the top of the table. I poured some white Waverly chalk paint in this plastic jar that I grabbed from the recycle bin, and I decided to use that because I don't know how much paint I will need, and I wanted to be able to save what was ever left by putting the lid on this jar. I also poured some Liquitex Slow-Dri medium into it to help it stay wet longer. I'm using just an ordinary paintbrush that I got from Dollar Tree, and it's working very well, and I love the way that this paint is just covering this so nicely, and it's leaving some of the black to show through, which is what I want because I want a more rustic look in this table. I'm applying this paint rather lightly and kind of carefree, and I want to do that just so that some of the black will show through and it will give a more rustic and weathered look. I poured some brown antique wax and this Liquitex medium into what little bit was left of the white chalk paint, and before the white chalk paint had completely dried, I just did a few quick easy brush strokes with the new mixture. For the top of the table, I picked up some of these faux wood planks in the tile and flooring section at Lowe's, and these were 98 cents each, so it was a very good deal. I got 4 pieces of them. They come with this adhesive backing, and they're basically like laminate flooring, which will be great for a tabletop. I scored the pieces at where I wanted them, and they pretty much just snapped cleanly in half. I have these great pieces left over that I could use for future projects, and I love the way that they do look like real wood. I'm lining the pieces up and centering them as best as I can. There are small edges on each side, and I'll use a 4th piece to cut lengthwise to go on the edges. This is so easy, you guys. All you have to do is just peel and stick. Here I'm using a rotating blade to create a score in the laminate piece to break off what I need for the edges. I used a box cutter to help finish cutting this piece, because I found that breaking off what I needed lengthwise didn't go quite as easy, but certainly is doable. So again, just a review, this is what it looked like before, and here is what it looks like now. Oh my god, I just love it, and I can't wait to start putting my DIYs on this. I'm glad I thought to use the floor tile. I really like the way that it looks, and I'm thinking of other projects I could do with it. What kind of things would you do? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video today and that you will subscribe to my channel. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I have many more great ideas to share with you. If you're interested in following me on social media or contacting me, I'll put those links in the description below. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.